Hello, how you doing, guys? Today we're gonna learn how to fix the iPhone 4 screen digitizer with the LCD. It's the iPhone 4, which you can see you don't have a line over here and on the other side. So you just need four type of tools. This one right here, which you're only gonna use only for the back two screws. You see, and this one right here. I think y'all can see it very well. Right, and the tweezer right here. So we're gonna begin now on fixing the iPhone 4 screen. Right, at first step, you're gonna take two screws at the bottom of the iPhone, which one is here and one is here. Second step is you're gonna slide the back for the iPhone up. Slide it up and take it out just like that. And don't forget, you gotta turn your iPhone off before you open it. Alright, so now let's wait a second till it turn off. Alright, now we're gonna take this screws, which is for the battery. You're gonna take the battery out, which you're gonna take this one screw right here. Let's go now and take it out. And now when you take the port for the battery right here, you gotta use something plastic so you didn't break anything with the metal. And don't forget this part, you gotta take it out and keep it right here because you're gonna put it back at the end. So now we're gonna take the battery off, go from the side like this. There you go. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult, but you gotta be careful. And now we're gonna take two screws over here. 1, 2. Again, you take this one with the plastic thing, take it out like this, put it to the side like that. Don't fold it too hard because it breaks, so just, now you're gonna take one screw right here and one screw right here. Is one on the left and one on the right side. So let's take it. Yeah, if you can take it out with your hand, just take the tweezer and be a little bit easier for you. Right there. Take this one right here, is the little antenna, but don't break it. Be careful because it's too little, and just at the end just pull it off a little bit with the tweezers. Right there. Take off the speaker. Right now there's one screw over here. We're gonna take it out. Oops, right here, I got it. And then we're gonna take 5 screws, which is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a metal that protect the digitizer lines. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Now you're gonna take this metal that protects the digitizer lines over here. You're gonna keep it for later, right? Now you're gonna take these out, pull them off with some plastic so don't break. There's 2 right here. There's a third one. 4, 5. There's 3 right here and 2 right here, and this one is for the camera. So I think you're not gonna be able to take it out with the. All right, there we got it. Right there. And then you need another screw, which is you only need it for 2 screws maybe. Another tool for only 2 screws is right here. You take this one off. There's 1 screw at the corner over here. So you take it off. And you zip for the motherboard, and in case don't pull it off until you take off the SIM card, because sometimes you forget to take off a SIM card, right? Now you could pull off the motherboard carefully. Don't lose this little piece, the rubber one. The one is just protects it right here. You leave it to the side. Now we gotta take the vibrate, which is right here, 1, 2 screws. Alright, so now the other step is to take 4 screws on the corner. Is 1 right here, 1, and the other one is in this corner, 2, 3, 4. It's on the 4 corners, so you take them out. Right, that's 2. And that's the other 2. So now you're gonna just don't take them off right here. 1, 2, 3, and here we got 3. 1, 2, 3. Just unscrew them a little bit, like 1, 2, like 2 times, 2 row. 1, 2. Right. Let's do the other one. 1, 2. 1, 2. Cause if you take them off, it's hard to put them back. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright. So now we're just gonna take the screen off, which is you can use anything flat screw or anything like this, or this plastic thing over here. You can just, some of them they have glue, which is really difficult to take them off, but if you got a heat gun, you can heat it up and take them off easily. Alright, when you take the screen off, watch out for these little antennas over here. Don't break them. Alright, now we got it off. That's the screen we had inside. That's the frame. Right, and that's it. Thank you.